Hey guys, Sid here from Kia St. Catharines. I'm just showing you a quick little tutorial on what to do and how you can do it when you're trying to get into your vehicle but your key fob battery is dead. Now, with your key fob, Kia Key Fob, you got two keys when you purchase a new Kia K4, and you'll get two little keys, which are just like this. Now, what you're going to do is pull your key out of this little case. You're going to get up right under the little wedge. So this part of your door handle, driver's side door handle, you'll see a little notch and over here. Simply, you are going to take your key over here and pop off the cover. All right, there you go. This cover has come off. And this is the little notch I was talking to you guys about that you're gonna have to put your key in, so you can push that plastic housing up, away from the door handle, and so you can pop off. You're gonna put in your key, turn left so you can unlock the door, and there you go. We'll be right inside. Now I'm gonna show you how to start the vehicle when your battery in your key fob is low or dead. Come on inside, I'll show you guys how. All right, now that you guys are in your Kia K4, and you want to start your vehicle again, you won't be able to hit the push start because your key fob battery is dead. So what you're going to want to do is take your key fob, just touch it against your push start, and the vehicle starts right up. So remember to use your key fob to its full potential. In this case, since the battery is low, or it could be dead in the key fob, you're just going to take again your key fob, touch it against your push start, and it'll start right up. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful. Again, this is Sid from Kia St. Catharines. Drive safe out there, and if you need a new 2025 Kia K4, come on down to 406 Ontario Street, and I'll show you a few that we have on the lot.